What does it smell like?
See the baby cow smell like? Oh! Pooping! Pooping!
What does it smell like? Does it smell good? Does it smell like cows?
It stinks. It stinks.
That means if we stop milking her, she gets a 2-month vacation or maternity leave before she has her baby. The reasons why we do that: 1, they're not producing much milk at that time, and 2, we want all the nutrition from the food they eat those last 2 months to go.
Do you see the cow, Meeps? What's wrong, honey? What's wrong?
Excuse me, I see cows way over there.
Awesome! What's wrong? Is it smelly? Look at the cow saying hi!
Hi, cow. Hi, baby cow. Bye, cow. Look at the cow. Look it. Bye, cow. Bye, cow. Oh, yeah. Look at the cows. Say hi. 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 All clear.
It's not so stinky.
All better.
It's all better.
That's only one step worse than
Ow, ow,
That's horrid.
Was that stinky?
Yep.
Yep, all better.
All better.
Okay.
Still smelly?
I like the dog. Get away from
You like the dog?
Okay.
Did you see the dog?
It's exciting. You guys are all here.
Mama, watch out. They spit.
On your knees.
Wait.
Look at it. What does this cow say?
The cow is moo.
They're watching the people in front of you.
What's the cow say?
The cow is moo. Put butter on there.
What's in there, Reeves? What's in there? Whoa. That's where they get the milk. Was it cool? Whoa. What's going on in there? Whoa, look at the milk. Look at all the milk. Rodrigo, look. It's the milk. The milk's in there. There's the milk in the cow. Wow. That's neat. Mimi, did you see the milk?
Yes.
That's cool, huh?
All right, we're making a line standing shoulder to shoulder, looking at the big white door. There we go. Come on.
You see that donkey? You see the donkey?
Yes. It's a baby cow. Baby cow.
I'm also drinking a lot of water. See, I have a bathtub over here.
real snow moment right there.
Put your shoes over here.
All right, these I'm gonna get confused with those.